All right, so I have a confession to make, which is I never have used a Panavise product. Now, I know that they have for a long time been the staple of kind of like professional and hobbyist type vices. I've never seen one. I don't think I've ever seen one actually really out in the wild before, nor have I ever used one. So I figure together, let's open up. This is the Panavise 350, and let's put it together and see what we think. All right, so here we go. And I have to tell you, right on the side here, it has like all these different accessories and stuff that you can get for it. And it just makes me, it really just makes me want to get a bunch of different accessories, honestly. I kind of like to collect them all. I don't know if you're like that too, but anyways, let's go. Let's get this thing opened up and see what we think. All right, so this is what we are working with right here. Look at this. Oh yeah, I'm liking it. All right, before we get too carried away, let's see. All right, so here we go. Congratulations on your Panavise purchase. Well, thank you, Panavise. I'm excited. Oh yeah, look at this. All these little things in here. Pretty cool. Okay, so first thing I think we need to do is we need to get these little feet on here, and let's get it so we don't scratch up the table. We'll keep putting these things on right here. Really nice, so you can see got 3 of them put on, and then these little spots for these other couple. So I'm excited because no one wants to get their work area all scuffed up. Most of the time, at least I sure don't. From scratching to no scratching. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that firm. Look at this. I can, it really grips it really good. That's awesome, actually. Look at that. That is very nice. All right, installation instructions. I don't know about you. I always have a hard time not wanting to read these. I just can't help myself. Let's just see here though. What do we got going on? So we can tilt it however we want here. That's awesome. All right, looks like we just got to put these this stuff on here. So let's open it up. Those 4 screws. I think I want to put them this way. So, okay, I see what it says. If you, depending on how the opening that you want, you can move it. Makes sense to me. All right. Here, let me get a flat head. So these are little flat head screws on here. Let me go get one. Okay, these slide on. All right, so we got those on there. Let's take a look at this. Put it at an angle for you. Very nice. I think that's really gonna do the trick for me. I think that looks pretty good. All right, let's kind of see what else we got going on here. So we got this. Let's just, maybe just have a little bit of fun with it real quick. All right, so I've got a couple toys here. Let's play with them. Let's see. Okay, a little pin checker. And the cool part is I can put this in and then adjust it to wherever I want it to be, which is pretty awesome. And I'm really liking that. But one thing that you've seen me do before in videos that I want to kind of try out a little bit is, like, let's say I needed to modify this key a little bit, right? And let's get it put in there. Let's say I had to shave it down a little. So what I really like here is that I can modify and hold it, I think, to wherever. There we go, look at that. All right, so I can bring it in like that, and then I can get my little grinder out. and get the perfect fit. That's what I'm talking about. All in all, I have to say, I think this thing is pretty awesome, right? And so let me actually do this real quick. So there's two things I'm seeing here while this is happening, right? So you can, when it's loose, right? You can adjust it, move it around however you want, and then lock it in. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Jury's still out if I want to keep it like this or if I want to flip them. I don't really know. You have to tell me in the comments what's your favorite. What is your favorite? But yeah, that's really awesome. I'm really liking this thing. All right, so there you have it, the Panavise 350, pretty awesome. As you can see, I had never touched one before this video, so putting it together was pretty simple. It's pretty gosh darn high quality. I'm liking it, you know, and now I just need to start doing some projects on it, really. But of course, I want to know what you think. Do you use the Panavise 350? Do you use a different model number? Do you use something different? Let's have a conversation about it. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, congratulations, you've made it to the end of the video. You probably deserve a medal, maybe a plaque, but hey, I wanna make sure that when you're commenting that you're including the hashtag Lockboss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we're giving away each week here live on YouTube on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. We'll see you in the comments.